We did a few charitable donations to our local YWCA last year, including some wall art and some kitchen items that they were able to use in a fundraising raffle last fall. This year they repeated their interest and request for fundraising items, also telling us that it was the household items like charcuterie boards, trivets, and drink coasters that seemed to be most popular. Sometimes simple designs and useful items generate the most interest. For the charcuterie board, I had a really warped and split flowering cherry slab that I wanted to use, but it would have to be cut up into planks that I could then square up and glue back together. For the trivet, I also had some leftover Brazilian ipe in 1/2-inch thickness and thought that would be awesome. And the coasters were cut from some leftover poplar. These are really simple builds, so we'll just let the video do the talking. The drink coasters were pretty simple to make as well, using some different colored dowels to dress them up a bit and then finished with the same butcher block conditioner to seal the wood and repel moisture too. All wrapped up with the twine bow, and they're ready to join the other two pieces for the fundraiser. My easy charcuterie board is the perfect size for a meat and cheese display, and the Brazilian Ipe trivet looks pretty great with its pattern of drilled holes. I really hope all three pieces do well in their charity raffle. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. That's all free, just like our content and free plans on thefamilywoodworker.com. Take care.